Title: The Ultimate Guide to Meditation and Exercise. Transform your body and mind introduction. Opening shot. Calm music plays over visuals of a serene forest and people exercising in a park. Host: What if I told you there are 2 simple habits that could completely change your life? Boost your energy, reduce stress, and even improve your health. You don't need expensive equipment or a lot of time. All you need is meditation and exercise. These 2 powerful practices, when combined, create a synergy that transforms not just your body, but your mind as well. Cut to host speaking directly to the camera. Host: In this video, we're diving deep into why meditation and exercise are so beneficial for your body. We'll explore the science, break down the benefits, and give you practical tips to incorporate them into your life. By the end, you'll be ready to take your first step towards a healthier, happier you. Let's get started. Chapter 1: The Power of Exercise. Evan: What happens to your body when you exercise? Host: Let's start with exercise. You've probably heard it's good for you, but do you know what's actually happening in your body when you move? Whether it's running, yoga, or weightlifting, exercise activates nearly every system in your body. Cut to animation of the body during exercise. Heart and lungs. Exercise strengthens your heart, making it pump blood more efficiently. It also improves lung capacity, so your body gets more oxygen. Muscles and joints. Moving your body increases muscle strength and flexibility while protecting your joints from conditions like arthritis. Brain. Exercise releases endorphins, often called feel-good hormones, which boost mood and reduce stress. Host: It doesn't stop there. Regular physical activity stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a protein that supports brain health and memory. 12 benefits of regular exercise. Host: Now, let's talk benefits. These go far beyond weight loss or aesthetics. Exercise is like a magic pill for your overall health, cut to a list appearing on screen. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular exercise reduces the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Weight management. It helps regulate metabolism and maintain a healthy weight. Enhanced mental health. Exercise is a proven tool for combating depression, anxiety, and stress. Stronger immune system. Physical activity boosts the production of white blood cells, making you more resilient to illness. Longevity. Studies show active individuals live longer, healthier lives. Host: One study even found that just 30 minutes of moderate exercise 5 times a week can extend your lifespan by years. That's pretty incredible, right? 13. Different types of exercise for different goals. Host: The best part about exercise: there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking to build strength, improve flexibility, or simply de-stress, here are some options to consider. Cut to visuals of people engaging in various activities. Cardio: running, cycling, swimming. Great for heart health and endurance. Strength training: lifting weights or resistance training builds muscle and supports bone health. Flexibility and balance: yoga, Pilates, and stretching improve posture and prevent injuries. Functional fitness: activities like hiking or playing sports enhance overall agility and coordination. Host: So, whether you're a beginner or an athlete, there's a form of exercise that suits your needs. And now let's shift gears to the practice of meditation, Chapter 2, The Magic of Meditation, 21. What is meditation? Cut to serene visuals of a person meditating by a lake. Host: Meditation is an ancient practice that stood the test of time. At its core, it's about training your mind to focus, find calm, and cultivate awareness. But meditation isn't just sitting in silence. It's an exercise for your brain. 22. How meditation affects the brain. Host: When you meditate, your brain undergoes incredible changes. Let's take a look at what's happening behind the scenes. Cut to animation of the brain. Reduces stress. Meditation lowers cortisol levels, helping you manage stress more effectively. Improves focus. It strengthens the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making and attention. Enhances emotional regulation. Meditation calms the amygdala, the brain's fear center, making you less reactive to stressors. Promotes neuroplasticity. Regular practice helps the brain form new, healthier neural connections. Host. In fact, studies using MRI scans have shown that long-term meditators have more gray matter in areas associated with learning, memory, and compassion. 3 physical benefits of meditation. Host. Now, you might be wondering, how can sitting still benefit your body? Well, meditation has some surprising physical effects. Cut to split us.